Welcome back to the channel and welcome to my first smart home tutorial for 2020. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect a Harmony Hub, which is this guy right here, to a Google Home so that you can voice control your older devices and you no longer need to use any of these. So if you're new to the channel, my name's Travis and I love to film unboxing videos of cool new gear that I get for filmmaking and photography. If I ever go anyplace cool, I'm definitely going to vlog about it. If I have any DIY projects around the house, usually assembling IKEA furniture, I'll film those too. If I learn any cool new tricks in Adobe Premiere Elements, I'll usually film a tutorial on those too. And of course, if I ever have any smart home projects, I'm going to share them too. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect some of your older IR devices so that they can be controlled with a Google Home or Amazon Alexa using voice commands instead of these remotes, so that you can have the ability to do things like say, "Hey Google, turn on the fireplace."
Sure, turning the fireplace on.
And there you have it, fireplace is turned on. And that was this little remote here. So I no longer need to use this remote. I can voice control my fireplace, which was previously just an IR remote, using this right here. This is the Logitech Harmony Hub. So what the Harmony Hub is and how it helps out with older devices is it sits on your shelf and it actually sends out IR controls to all of the devices in the room, and it can convert those to a Wi-Fi signal. So in other words, your Harmony Hub is connected to your Wi-Fi and then it is communicating to your IR devices. So it's kind of that gateway in between the older devices and the new stuff. So that gives you the ability to use things like Amazon Alexa and Google Home to actually control those older devices. The other great thing I love about the Harmony Hub is if you have multiple devices, like in my case, I'm a bit of an audiophile, so I'm always going to have an AV receiver in the mix. And that usually makes things difficult for whoever comes over to operate it because they don't know what input everything has to be on. So in most cases, you're going to have a television with several inputs, and connected to those inputs are going to be your devices. So normally you only have to worry about those devices that are connected directly to the TV. When you throw an AV receiver in the mix, now you have to worry about two things. Is the TV on the right input? Is the AV receiver on the right input? So the Harmony Hub helps you out with all of that confusing control because it's activity based. So using their simple and easy to use software, you add the activities that you want to have in your home, and then you add the devices that you use for that activity. So to give you an example, if you have an Xbox, you have an AV receiver, and you have a TV, those three devices are needed to play an Xbox game. So you would add the Xbox, the TV, and the receiver. You would tell the software which input each device needs to be on, and then you would label that activity. So in the case of an Xbox, you would say, "Hey Google, turn on Xbox." And Google is then going to
Turning Xbox 360 on.
There you go. So Google is now turning on the television, turning on the AV receiver, turning on the Xbox 360, and setting everything to the correct input. So super amazing software built into the Logitech Harmony. I highly recommend that you get one of these. If you want the full voice control, look for the Harmony Hub. It's probably the most inexpensive solution, usually around $100 that you can get. So once you've added all of your devices to your Harmony Hub and you've assigned activities to each one of them, now you can open your Google Home or Amazon Alexa app and add Harmony to that application. The activity names that you recently set up in your Harmony Hub are now going to be turned into commands that you can use with your Google Home or Amazon Alexa. So to give you some examples of the different scenarios, you can have your device watch television, set up the Xbox for you, play a 4K Blu-ray, turn on your Chromecast, turn on your Fire Stick, whatever devices that you have, your fireplace. So now instead of using all of these devices, you can now easily control your system with the Harmony Hub and voice control your system using an Alexa or a Google device. So if voice control is not your thing, but you still want an easy way to control your devices, the Harmony Hub actually gives you a really awesome application on your phone that you can use to control the system as well. So if you have multiple people in the home, you can share that app with them and everybody has a remote to the TV. Could be a good thing, could be a bad thing, but I'll leave that up to you who you share the app with. So if you head to the App Store on your respective iPhone or Android phone, you will find the Harmony Hub control there, and you can download that app and actually control your system from your smartphone as well. So I hope this video showed you a simple and easy way that you can control your older non-smart devices using the Harmony Hub and an Amazon Alexa or Google Home device. So if you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. It really makes a difference. And until next time, take it easy out there.